Hello everyone. Today is Thursday, 19th of January, and we are set for yet another weekly expiry for Nifty as well as Bank Nifty. Now, Nifty is interesting for last couple of days because it is showing some kind of a bullish bias, and it managed yesterday. Nifty managed to close above its 2023 opening price. So, if we can see, the annual candle or a monthly candle can be seen as a small green candle as of now. At the same time, Bank Nifty is about 500 points below its 2023 opening price. So naturally, it is still a bearish kind of a candle. This particular thing confirms that both the indices, they are not confirming with each other. Now, in such scenario, only two possibilities are there. Either the outperforming index, as in Nifty here, will pull Bank Nifty above, or the underperforming index like Bank Nifty here will drag Nifty down. So we are here to understand what could be the possible scenario. Now at the beginning of this week, when I mentioned about a weekly market kya lagta hai episode, we categorically spoke about a possibility that the market bias can be bearish from these levels. Okay, and I still believe that there can be the bearishness which is possible. Now, there are only two possibilities that we can expect here is that we may get a gap down today, okay, gap down somewhere around this sap, and eventually we should break below this sap. Or we may open below sap, and then from there we can recover a bit, but will preferably close below the sap level. Bank Nifty is already below SAP, and it is likely to remain below SAP for some good time. Now, if we go to Nifty individually, see, yesterday in the daily observations, I had categorically mentioned that Nifty might break above this range, let's say by 50 points. So 18,150 is something that I was expecting, and 18,163 is yesterday's close. So now again, I'm expecting a pullback. I'm expecting a gap down opening. Okay, and we should again come back into this range. See, coming back to the range is not an important aspect. The important aspect is that the breakout is not sustaining. The breakout is not going to sustain, and eventually, if we are within the range, then it will be essential, crucial that we see if we are getting support from this SAP level. Are we going to stay above 18,025, or are we going to break below 18,000 and we might test or break below 18,000, 17,800? This is something that I'm curious to know. Okay, because right now, if you see, if you observe, whatever is happening between this particular range. So it's a range bound kind of a scenario for Nifty as well as Bank Nifty. But the range for Nifty is from 18 to 265 to this level of 17,774. Okay, so this is about uh, a 500 odd point range. Okay, and currently Nifty is between this particular range. So we need a breakout on either direction, preferably on the lower direction. But time will tell us, time will give us some understanding about how the things are happening. If there is a gap down today, I do not expect you to rush into the trade very next minute. Just want to wait at least for first 7-8 minutes. Let 2 to 3 candles of 3 minute pass by, and let the market define what kind of a direction it is planning to hold, and then accordingly I want you to enter the trade. Okay, this is a narrow range that we have right now. Um, from the narrow range we have from the point of view of a current sideways market. Okay, if we look at Bank Nifty, see, Bank Nifty is also trading in a narrow range. So Wednesday's low is last Wednesday's low is very important for Bank Nifty, and even today, after a week, it has not been able to break below this level or even break above this particular level. Okay, so the range will remain as 42,500 to 41,500. No changes in this. And again here, I'm expecting a very quick fall below 42,276. It should open somewhere below this, and ideally it should stay below this. Whenever it breaks below 41,700, this level, then and only then we can consider that now the bearish trend has commenced and it is going to fall in a quick manner. This is what my expectation is. If we look at the Rithik stocks are playing like a symphony orchestra. Why I'm saying so is because often we see that some of the stocks are above their respective daily 50 EMA and some of the stocks are below. So in the meantime, while HDFC Bank was below 50 EMA, State Bank was above 50 EMA, and now that State Bank is below 50 EMA, HDFC and HDFC Bank and HDFC Limited both are above their respective 50 EMAs. So four stocks, Infosys, TCS, and HDFC Bank and HDFC Limited, these four stocks are above their daily 50 EMA. I believe in next couple of days, today and tomorrow, by the weekend, we should get a clarity. And I expect all these stocks below their daily 50 EMA. This is what my expectation is. Let us see how market obliged to this. I want to draw your attention to one important message which I had shared in Prime Group. See, trading is a profession where there is a lot of randomness in market. So as a trader, one should accept that the market is random and there can be unforeseen bounces, gap up and gap downs in market. We have to get a confirmation on our trading time frame as per our trading system, our trading setup. If we have a trade which is favorable to us, where we can enter with a small stop loss and make better reward or better returns. And if at all we can be assured about this kind of a move, then and only then we should trade. Otherwise, we should avoid trading on the basis of assumption. So assumption is something that actually ruins the fun of the game, and we should wait patiently, and then accordingly only we have to uh, take all these things into consideration. Often it happens that traders are in a way little impatient and they tend to have uh, expectations about a particular trend. But you have to have an open mind, and that open mind often gives you a pretty good understanding about how do we expect market to move from a particular level. So intraday, do not keep any bias, but on a major higher time frame like daily or a weekly time frame, you should have a bias and expect the market to move in that specific direction and trade only a specific directional trades so that you will have a lot of clarity and things will work in your favor. If you are an agile trader, if you can trade in both the directions, then you must trade in both the directions, but you should be aware of your main direction of the trend. That was my tip of the day. So enjoy your trading day, guys, ahead. Have a great day. Bye bye. Take care.